Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make creamy mashed potatoes. First, let's talk about potato selection. For truly creamy mashed potatoes, the type of potato you choose is crucial. Opt for starchy varieties such as russets or Yukon Golds. These potatoes break down beautifully, creating a fluffy and smooth texture. Waxy potatoes, on the other hand, tend to become gummy when mashed, which is definitely not what we want. Aim for about 2 pounds of potatoes to serve 4 to 6 people generously. Now, let's prepare and cook our potatoes. After peeling your chosen potatoes, cut them into uniform 1.5-inch pieces. This ensures they cook evenly. Place the cut potatoes in a large pot and cover them with cold water, adding about 1 tablespoon of salt. Bringing them to a boil from cold water helps them cook through without the outsides becoming mushy. Boil them until they are fork tender, which typically takes between 15 and 20 minutes. This is where the magic happens for that incredibly creamy texture. Once your potatoes are perfectly tender, drain them very thoroughly. Return them to the warm pot to allow any remaining moisture to evaporate. Immediately add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1/2 cup of warm whole milk or heavy cream. Use a potato ricer or a sturdy masher to achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency. Avoid overmashing, as this can make them gluey. Finally, let's perfect the seasoning and get ready to serve. Taste your mashed potatoes and season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy. Proper seasoning elevates the flavor significantly. For an extra touch of freshness, stir in about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh chives or parsley. Serve your creamy mashed potatoes immediately while they are warm and at their absolute best. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.